friends, Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. Let's talk about Valentine's Day over at Walgreens. So today is the 16th, Wednesday. On the 17th, it's supposed to be hitting 70%. And then on Friday, the 18th, 90%. So if you love everything Valentine's Day, definitely head over to the store. At most stores, it's about 40% off right now. Unfortunately, you can't use the app to scan to figure stuff out. I know like one state in New England, they have a price scanner that you can figure out the prices. But for the majority of us, we're going to have to grab items that are marked 40% off, bring it to the front and say, hey, what is this? And then the cashier will scan it and tell you, 70%. If your store has a good amount of stuff, it depends if you really need this stuff. On Thursday, I would try and go on Friday because there's nothing better than 90% when you can use a little bit of Walgreens cash or register rewards, especially if your store has a ton of stuff. A lot of stores around here did. So yeah, absolutely check it out on Thursday and Friday if you love all things cutesy and Valentine's Day, or if you like clearance shopping. This might be the thing for you. And I know that in some areas like New York City, for example, it's really hard to find any sort of clearance over at Walgreens. They just box it up and send it off. And for the most part, stores have about 1 or 2 shelves of this stuff. They just keep it very sparingly. This is a holiday where they have just a certain amount of things, and they don't really, it's not like Christmas where it's like aisles and aisles of it. Now, what's rumored to be part of this, it's always been in the past, is some of these kids' toys from Christmas. Will they hit 70 and 90? It might be worth you grabbing one and bringing it up to the till tomorrow and saying, hey, is this going to ring up? And yes, you can use Walgreens cash and register rewards to buy clearance merchandise. So good luck with this. It seems like a lot of fun, especially if the toys are included. Okay, so the first little dealio that I did today over at Walgreens was Dove. I know that the majority of everybody, it was not printing that register reward, and it was kind of a pain in the side, but I got it to print today. So what I did, guys, was I grabbed one of these clearance men's body wash. We have $1 digital that's attaching with that as well. And then a lot of people were telling me that the pumps, like these foaming body washes, it was working with that too. Now, when I scanned it earlier in the week, the 7 off 2 was not attaching, but I got a way around that. So just to show you what I picked up for my first little basket, one of the men's clearance Dove, and then $14 of those pumps. This is the men's body wash that was ringing up on clearance for $3 and some change. Here's the UPC. And just to show you the digital coupons, we have the 7 off of 2. This did not come off, so what I had to do was call customer service. A very nice lady just threw the $7 on my card, didn't bat an eyelash or really ask any questions. And then the $1 off for the men's Dove. If I could do this again, just pick up 3 men's Doves. If you could find 3 clearance, it's much better. But 2 of the pumps was $14. 1 Dove's Men was $3.79 for a total of $17.79. In Fantasyland, that 7 off of 2 would come off along with the $1 digital. You're paying $9.79 out of pocket, getting back a $5 store register reward, making it $4.79 for the 3 body washes, or $1.59 each. Now, if I could go back in a time machine, what I would have done, because apparently the rumor is that the men's body wash, that $5 store register reward is printing no problem. The ladies, it isn't. Except for the ladies' pumps. I would grab 2 regular price men's body wash for $14, and then that 1 clearance one, and that's how I would have proceeded for this one. But customer service gave me the $7, no problems, no issues. And I photographed my receipt to fetch, and I think I got like 200 points. And here is the store register reward for the purchase of that Dove body wash. Now, as I tested out that 1 clearance one, if you can track down 3 clearance body washes, this is what I would do. Have that 7 off of 2 loaded along with the $1 digital. So it's this one, the Power Renew, and then that orange one that I just showed you in the slides previous. So if you can find 3 of them, it would be a spectacular deal. I only found 1, unfortunately. So grabbing 3 of these men's body washes on clearance. Again, a tall order to find clearance, but if you can find 3, grab all 3. That's $11.37. Subtracting that 7 off of 2 and the $1 digital, you're paying $3.37 out of pocket, getting back a $5 store register reward, making this free plus a $1.63 money maker. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. As I purchased 2 of the pumps and 1 clearance, it is working with the clearance. So if by chance you are so lucky to track down 3 men's Dove body wash is on clearance for $3 and some change. I would absolutely try this deal. You have nothing to lose. Now, as I was talking about the Fetch Rewards app, I took a quick little photo of all that Dove, and I got like just under 200 points. So that's pretty good. It's like 20 cents, and I will be happy about that all day and every day. Now, just to let you guys know, this is another promotion that's really spectacular. $3.29 for the Downy, the Unstoppable Beads in the smaller container, the Tide Simply Pods, and the Tide Simply Liquid. All this stuff is apparently rumored to be jumping in price as of March, or the end of the month, like the beginning of March. So we'll have to wait and see what those prices are. And this is the promotion this week, is that when you buy 3 of these products, and if you wish to mix and match, yes, you can. Bounce dryer sheets are part of this too. You're going to get back a $3 register reward. So this is my little transaction. I just picked up 3 like items. As I did not have any manufacturers for any of these products, I decided to throw in a $5 store register reward. This one's expiring soon, so why not use it? So here's the math for this one. 3 of the Downies, the 40 load ones, that's $9.87. Subtracting that $5 store register reward, paying $4.87 and getting back a $3 register reward. I think this is just a super smart deal, just to kind of do a little flipperoo of some of these store register rewards, and then I got something back. And, you know, if you wanted to get some dryer sheets, some Tide Simply, and 1 Downy, you can absolutely mix and match with this too, and use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now, just to show you, the register reward did in fact print for this, because I know register rewards, it's been kind of like a sore spot where things have not been printing, but both of them printed for me today. Now, if your register reward does not print and the employee at the store does not want to credit you the Walgreens cash, go to the site Catalina.com. You're going to go over to this bar called Contact, and from there you're going to go to Consumer Support, because that is how you fill in this application. You'll have to put your store information in, your first and last name, email, phone number, and then your store card as well. And then the promotion, such as buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. It didn't print. Photograph your receipt, and then Catalina will mail you a register reward within a week. Now, this was kind of an interesting find I found today. It was $2.49 for this Gillette King. This razor is usually upwards of $9, so I was like, oh, that's kind of interesting. And what I did was I threw this in with my Downy, and I had a $3 digital coupon, and I'm like, well, it would be really nice if it came off, and if it doesn't, I'm still going to, use my register reward to pay it down. And believe it or not, this $3 coupon actually came off, so that was really fantastic to get this razor for free, so that was pretty cool. Okay, the last store we're going to talk about is Meijer, and this is a store in the Midwest only. So last week, we were getting these Sweet Baby Rays for free. It's a hot sauce, and this promotion is going on right until the 19th. So you can either use that little hang tag coupon, $1 off, or if you might be so lucky, there's a $1.50 coupon off in the Smart Source of February the 6th. So grabbing one of those for $1.49, subtracting that $1.50 coupon from the insert, it basically makes it for free. And you can get 2 per transaction. And if you have that $1 coupon, it'll make it 49 cents per hot sauce. Not the worst little deal. Everybody loves hot sauce. And then another deal, I didn't do it though today. It is with these Dean's dips, and it has to be this bar one. The sports bar tangy buffalo, or the pickle one, and there's also a pizza one. They're $1.99. We have a $1 off M-Perk, but that is $1 off each. So if you wanted to grab like 5 per transaction, it would be $9.95. Subtracting the 5, you'd pay $4.95. And then IBOTTA is giving back a quarter. Your rebate might be a little higher than mine, but for me it would be 74 cents each. And as this is an each M-Perk, you can grab more, and that IBOTTA rebate is up to 5 times. So it's however many you want to grab. Just what a great deal to get really inexpensive dip. But I gotta look and see when mine, because I have a couple of these in my fridge, so I want to see when they're going to expire, because I don't want 15 and they're all going to expire next week. Now, yesterday I made a video. A subscriber reached out to me about a really uncomfortable situation that happened on Super Bowl weekend. If you're a newer shopper, I would recommend for you to watch this video, because there's so many shoppers in the comments who are saying that they had very similar situations where, somebody, a family member or a friend or somebody from work, anyone shows up at their home, takes a look at their stockpile and wants to start helping themselves, and how to basically say no. And it's a very awkward situation to be in. And I hear about this every once in a while. And it happens, and it's not the funnest situation to be in, where somebody's really pressuring you because they think because you coupon, you get everything for free, and they want to have everything and anything. Very good video, and a lot of the comments, a lot of ladies and gentlemen in the similar situations. I would recommend, especially if you're a newer couponer, to watch this video and read through the comments. Lots of great stories. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.